Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon pizza. First, let's get our foundation right. A good pizza starts with great dough, so choose a fresh one. Next, we'll prepare our star ingredient, the bacon. Cook it until it's perfectly crispy, then set it aside. Finally, gather your preferred pizza sauce and a generous amount of cheese. Now, let's assemble our masterpiece. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of your chosen pizza sauce across the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Finally, distribute those delicious, crispy bacon pieces evenly across the cheese layer. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure a perfectly crispy crust. For the best results, bake your pizza directly on a preheated pizza stone or baking steel. Cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Almost there. Once your pizza is out of the oven, let it rest for about 5 minutes. This helps the cheese set and prevents everything from sliding off when you slice it. If you like, add some fresh basil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for extra flavor. Then, slice your delicious bacon pizza into 8 equal pieces and serve it hot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.